As we all know, our world has changed. Over the past few months, we've seen deep inequalities surface, but we've also seen opportunities to build and change things for the better. One of the lessons we've learnt from the pandemic is that the home is not a safe place for so many women and so many girls who are subject to domestic violence. But as many countries open up after COVID-19, we do have a chance to create a new normal, a future without violence against women. Even before the pandemic, the numbers were staggering. 1 in 3 women would face gender-based violence in her lifetime. 1 in 3. As UN Women's Goodwill Ambassador, I have traveled the world and I've had a chance to hear from many survivors of violence. Their stories have been excruciatingly painful at times, heartbreaking, and horrifying. But the women themselves would remind us, and me, that this is a problem with a solution. But the solution can only exist if we provide help. So that's what I'm doing today. I am trying to create awareness and build more awareness. UN Women works at many different levels to prevent and address violence against women. They support organizations that provide survivors essential services. Services such as shelter, healthcare, access to justice, access to care, and access to the law. They also work to accelerate legal reforms, which is so needed. And we are always working to increase the awareness on this issue. And that's what we're asking you to do. So, to play your role in ending violence against women, we need you to learn about the issue, make your friends and your community aware of services and resources, ensure that you know who to call if someone was in danger, volunteer your time if you can, or if you have the means, donate. Donate at unwomen.org. So thank you for listening to me today, and anything you can do to help is greatly appreciated by all of us. Thank you.